Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Burleigh County in south central North Dakota until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Bismarck, Lincoln, McDonald Dam Recreation Area, and University of Mary. Additional rainfall amounts of 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Here is the forecast for the Bismarck